MPC Online is the collection of websites, one for each class being taught at MPC. When you register for a class, within a few hours, you're automatically added to the MPC Online website for that class. The easiest way to get to MPC Online is to go to MPC's main webpage at www.mpc.edu and click MPC Online. That brings you to the MPC Online main page. There are three features I want to point out about this page. One is, if you need help, right here, click Contact the MPC Online Help Desk. Second thing to point out is here, under Student Orientation and Support, I'll show some tutorials that show you how to use MPC Online. And the third big purpose for this page is over here where you can log in. I'll start with the tutorials. When you click on Student Orientation and Support, you'll come to this page, which has a bunch of things that you might find useful. You can learn more about counseling, online courses, but the one I really want to show you is the MPC Online tutorials. You probably know about it since the tutorial you're watching right now was here in the tutorial section. But you can see how to log in, what if you forgot your password, learn some of the basics. The most important, I think, are these three: how to work in a discussion forum, how to turn in an assignment, and how to take a quiz. Discussion forums, assignments, and quizzes are three of the most commonly used features in any online class. I'll go back to the MPC Online homepage. The next thing I want to show you is contacting the help desk. If you click that link, you get a new form. And this form shows or asks you to fill in a subject, your information, first and last name, and a description of what the problem is. The bottom is you can submit. If you submit this, it becomes a help ticket in our help desk system, and the Distance Ed team will respond to it very quickly. Next, I'll go back once again to the MPC Online main page. Over here is how you log in. Type in your student identification number, which is a 9-digit number, and then type in your password. If you don't know what these things are, click View Login Instructions, and if that's not enough to get this problem solved, of course, you would come over and click the help desk and let the team know about it. Then you click Login. When you log in, you'll see your information here and also up at the very top. In the middle, you'll see your list of courses. Now, it's possible that a course you're registered for won't appear here. There are several reasons that might be the case. One is your teacher may not be using MPC Online. Another might be that the semester hasn't started yet and your teacher may not have activated the course yet. If either one of those situations arise, you would of course either contact the help desk or email your teacher. I'm going to click this course, which brings me to the main page for this course. All MPC Online courses are set up the same. In the middle is the content. As you scroll down, you'll find the work that you're supposed to be doing in this course, down to reading books and discussion forums and other things for this course. On the sides, the right and the left, are blocks. Here's a calendar block which may have in it dates and other valuable things for you to see. Here's an activities block which you can use to see just certain kinds of activities. For instance, suppose you're trying to find a particular forum and scrolling down through the whole course is tedious. If you click Forums, it will list just the news, just the forums, and you can click on one of these forums to go straight into it. Notice up here at the top, I'm now down in the Forums area underneath the course. This red bar is called the breadcrumb trail, and you can always click back here on the name of the course to get back to the course main page. I'll also point out there's a quick mail block that you can use to send an email to your teacher or your fellow students if the teacher has activated this feature for students. If you click Compose Email, you'll get to the quick mail page. You can pick the person that you want to send to and click Add. Scroll on down, type a subject in here, type your message in here, and then you'd click Send. And of course, I'm just going to click Cancel to get back to the main page. To see your grades in an MPC Online course, go up to Course Administration and then click Grades. It'll bring you right to your grade book. When you're all done using MPC Online, particularly if you're in a public computer, you definitely want to click Log Out. That'll bring you back to the main page, and then you would close the entire browser. Well, that's your introduction to MPC Online.